Hi, my name is Sarah. I work with Circumvent Taking, and today we are going to be looking at the signs to look out for to find out if an email is a phishing email. But before that, I just want you to subscribe to my channel for more videos on digital security. So the first sign to look out for is the name of the email address. Most times, if it's an official address, it has a custom domain attached to it. So if someone has sent you a phishing link and they are claiming to be, let's say, from Google, so in most cases you find that the email address is called google something at gmail.com. So that is the first thing to look out for. If an email is from Google, it has to have a google.com as an extension, not maybe at gmail.com. If an email is from Amazon, it has to have the custom domain of amazon.com. So let's say if Amazon has sent you an email, they can maybe their email address could be like info@amazon.com, sales@amazon.com, or something like that. The second sign to look out for is the ransom they ask for. They could ask you maybe to pay a certain amount of money, for a service, let's say for a job or something like that. They'll ask you, you'll need this and this and this for. And then another sign to look out for the overwhelming offers. If let's say UN has sent you a job, like a hacker is claiming to be from UN and they have sent you a job offer, you find that maybe they are offering you a car, a big house, and all that without even you attending an interview. And then another one is lack of professionalism. So those are some of the signs to look out for if you suspect that the email they have sent you is a phishing email. And the step you should take is protect your account the more, probably change your password. If you haven't changed your password, the past 3 months, you should change, because it's recommended that you always change your password after every 3 months. Some people have taken like 10 years with the same password, which is not good. So you should take precaution. You shouldn't click on the link, just put your mouth over it to see where the link is leading you to. And then also probably install also spam filters, so that every phishing email goes to the spam folder, so that you're not under risk. So you should take precaution against phishing, because phishing can make you lose a lot of information. I hope you've learned something, and all the best in being protective online. Bye.